Dashboard Hub lets you track data from multiple data sources, including multiple Atlassian instances. This means that you can have data from your DC instance and your new cloud instance while you're migrating. Start by creating a dashboard. Now let's add a gadget. Let's pick Progress Tracker. There are multiple data sources already configured, but notice that I'm selecting an Appfire sandbox for the first gadget. Let's add another Progress Tracker gadget, but this time I'm going to select appfire.atlassian.net. Rename them to be something more descriptive, and save. That's how you can use Dashboard Hub to track work items from multiple instances, even having DC and Cloud together in the same dashboard.